Welcome. The video is regarding feature extraction and reduction. So features are the important variables which gives the information about the data in hand. It refers to the mapping the original high dimensional data into a lower dimensional space. So if you are going to extract all possible features, then it's going to be computationally complex since many features will be there. We need to reduce it so that we can properly use it with our machine learning algorithm. So the criterion for feature reduction can be based on the problem in hand. So if it is an unsupervised setting, we don't have the label. So the aim is to minimize the information loss. If it is a supervised setting, maximize the class discrimination is the aim. So the difference between feature reduction and feature selection. In feature reduction, all original features are used and feature extraction is followed after feature reduction only. Feature selection, extracted features are used and it's followed by feature extraction step. So in features selection, a process that chooses an optimal subset of features according to objective function is called feature selection. So this means that we have extracted the features and we are going to select the necessary features as per our requirement to reduce the dimensionality and to remove noise. So to improve the performance, speed of learning and improve the accuracy. So methods of feature selection, we have three methods: filter method, wrapper method and embedded method. In filter method, the selection of features is independent of any machine learning algorithm. Whatever algorithm we use, the method is going to be the same. The features are selected on the basis of the scores in various statistical tests which are performed for correlation with the outcome variable. So based on the statistical test, the features are identified and extracted and selected. So the advantages of this filter method is it relies entirely on the features in the dataset, not on the algorithm. It's computationally faster and it is based on different statistical methods. Disadvantages: it looks at individual features for identifying its relative importance. A feature may not be useful on its own, but when we are going to combine it with some other features, it may be useful for our application. The second method is wrapper method. It searches for the best subset of the input feature to predict the target variable. So it selects the features, subset features which are useful for our method and uses that only. So in wrapper method, we have three wrapper methods. First one is exhaustive search. It evaluates all combinations of input features for the task in hand and finds which subset gives good accuracy for our model. Forward selection, it starts with null feature set, zero feature set, and increases the features at a time one by one and evaluates its performance for the model. Backward selection, it takes all possible features initially and reduces the features one by one to evaluate the accuracy of the model to identify which features can be included and excluded. Advantages: the model features dependencies between each input features. It depends on the algorithm. Model which we are selecting selects the model with the highest accuracy based on the feature subset. It's computationally inexpensive as training happens on each of the input feature set combination. So we need to identify which features are best for our application. And the third method is embedded method. It uses the qualities of both the first two methods, filter method and wrapper method, for feature selection. It's used in embedded in the machine learning algorithm. Embedded feature selection algorithm includes like a decision tree and regularization. By fitting the model, use machine learning techniques. It provides feature importance for better accuracy. It's a combination of the first two methods. Feature map classifier. So the feature map is a function which maps the data vector which we have with the feature space. So it's used for the classification problems like disease classification, leaf classification, etc., pattern recognition, class separation, etc. Thank you.